Hi, everyone. My name is Sarah. I'm the founder of Socius. Socius is a talent marketplace that makes impact work accessible and transparent. And for this presentation, I'm presenting one of our proposals for Cardano Catalyst Project Fund 11. So open source identity wallet for Atala PRISM 2.0 and certificates. So the problem we are trying to solve is that 94% of young people want to use their skills for good, so social and environmental impact, but only 10% are able to do so. This is because many contribution opportunities are not very accessible or transparent. So, for example, they're in the impact jobs sector, there's lack of career advancements, lack of feeling that they're making a difference, and insufficient financial incentives. So that's why we created Socius, so that they don't need to choose between financial stability and their passion for making a difference, because they can do both at the same time in Socius. So in order to illustrate this point, I want you to meet Lawrence. So Lawrence is a software engineer, especially like blockchain engineer, passionate about contributing to social causes. So before joining Socius, it was difficult for him to find impactful projects. But after he joined Socius based on AI-based matching, he was matched with an edtech startup, and he earned a fair salary while contributing to a social cause, in this case, education. So, and we have escrow smart contracts that protect both employers and freelancers like Lawrence. So, and in order to make their impact, Lawrence impact, transparent and traceable, we record their work certificates and their contribution to social causes on the blockchain, Cardano blockchain, through verifiable credentials using Atala PRISM. And so that we have transparent and traceable impact. And based on this transparent impact, we give them rewards for contributing to social causes. And until now, about 7,000 people like Lawrence have joined our platform, and more than 40,000 hours have been contributed to different social causes like climate, education, and health. So now, open source identity wallet for Atala PRISM 2.0 and certificates. So this proposal tries to tackle the problem in the Cardano community, infrastructure problem of identity wallet. So at the moment, we have some solutions, but most of them are integrating Atala PRISM version 1.4. And now we have version 2.0, which is compatible with other different platforms. Okay, I realize I don't have much time. So we build an identity wallet compatible Atala PRISM v2, fill the infrastructure gap of Cardano, and it's open source, can be utilized for various use cases: compliance, KYC, KYB, university diplomas, work certificates, supply chain traceability. And there are many benefits for Cardano projects. If any other Cardano projects need DIDs or VCs, verified credentials, they can use Socius wallet, or they can easily create their own wallet from our code because it's open source. And we intend to onboard more people to the Cardano ecosystem. Socius already introduced Cardano to 7,000 users and 15,000 users by the end of the project. That's our aim.
Thank you,
so,
Sarah. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Sorry for
Do you have any questions? Yeah. If you have any other questions, I'm happy to answer.
Questions. Sunny, I was depending on you, Sunny.
I wasn't going to leave Sarah out. Sarah, thank you for that. Already, I love what you're doing. Regarding the actual wallet itself, would this be easy to use for like people who have no, experience with Web3? Like, how would the end user be using this wallet? How would it be deployed to them? I suppose that is what I'm asking. And do you have any plans of connecting with institutions like universities and stuff like that, so they have that as the base layer, so they're the ones that are doing the onboarding kind of on your behalf, if that makes sense?
Yeah, very good question. So in terms of the first question, our goal is to make it as easy as possible for anyone to use it. So it's going to be really simple process, either on the web browser or on the mobile device. that you download the app, or like you open your browser, and then you can simply use it. So UI and UX will be really simple for end users. And in terms of partnerships with universities, so yes, so one of the use cases is university diplomas. So make sure that these diplomas are not fake, not fraudulent, and that can be achieved through using this technology. So in normal circumstances, you have your diploma maybe PDF or like physical document, but no one knows that it's forged. But if you use this technology, then you don't need to call the university if this diploma is fake or not. And you can just check it on Atala PRISM on the blockchain. And yes, so the short answer is yes, we would love to collaborate with different universities. And I want to thank you. I know you and I have been working quite some time, and thank you for connecting us to the University of Nairobi. So we are in discussion with them to collaborate on different matters, including this university diploma certification. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah. I did actually have a follow-on as well. If you think, I mean, I'm not sure how many other blockchains have got a similar system, right? But this could be blockchain agnostic, no? I mean, it's built on Cardano, but the service essentially can cover all people from all chains, right? It's not really only for people in Cardano. Is that correct?
That is correct. So Atala PRISM v2.0 is following the international standard. It's called W3C, and that is compatible with other blockchain as well. So at the moment, Atala PRISM is using Cardano as the base blockchain layer. However, that VCs and DID itself, they are W3C compatible. So in the future, if you get university diploma using Atala PRISM, maybe using Socius wallet, then that can be recognized, and you go to maybe other, maybe you use another wallet, but you can still transfer your certificates, your verified credentials to another wallet, and you can still be recognized. You can use that in different wallets or different chains even. At the moment, Atala PRISM v2 doesn't have that I guess like immediate transportability capability, but in the future, that's their plan to be able to use any other chains as well. Thank you.
Yeah, that's awesome. I'm not going to take any more time, but there is a question that saw pop up in the chat.
Yeah. So yes, the Cardano Foundation has recently launched identity wallets for the community. Please, how does your product differ from this? So yes, that's a very good question. So just the context. So Atala PRISM is developed by IOG, input output, right? So that's their technology, and using Cardano as the base blockchain layer. And Cardano Foundation is not using Atala PRISM v2. Okay, so Cardano Foundation is using Carry, which is another system. So that's the main difference. So at the moment, we have different technologies that both of us are using, and they are still so Cardano Foundation's identity wallet is still in development. So actual wallet is not usable at the moment, but in the future, you can choose whether you want to use Cardano Foundation's identity wallet, but using Carry as the base technology, or you can choose the Socius wallet, which is using Atala PRISM v2 as the base technology. Okay, so you will have different choices, and in the future, you will have many options. So like at the moment for crypto wallet, you have Nami, you have Roi, Daedalus, many different options, right? So you will have different options for identity wallet as well. At the moment, we don't have that many options, But I think you should be able to choose any other any identity wallets that you prefer to use, and Cardano Foundation's wallet is one of them, and the Socius wallet is also one of the options. Thank you for your question. Any other questions?
We still have 30 seconds.
I can
Nice.
see that there's one question at the chat. Is that, have you answered it yet?
The Cardano Foundation,
he
yeah,
he
I
did.
just answered. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, very interesting proposal, I think. Good luck, Trader.